Hello friends, I am Smriti and I welcome you to Learning Bench. आज हम देखने वाले हैं opposite words in English. Cold, opposite hot. Old, opposite young. Tall, opposite short. High, opposite low. Bad, opposite good. Happy, opposite sad. Sweet, opposite sour. On, opposite under. In, opposite out. Empty, opposite full. Danger, opposite safety. Dry, opposite wet. Hate, opposite adore. Short, opposite long. Funny, opposite serious. Deafening, opposite silent. Loose, opposite tight. Clean, opposite dirty. Open, opposite close. Soft, opposite hard. Light, opposite heavy. Push, opposite pull. Win, opposite lose. Full, opposite empty. Asleep, opposite awake. Throw, opposite catch. Land, opposite take off. Give, opposite get. Cruel, opposite kind. Same, opposite different. Careful, opposite careless. Rich, opposite poor. Healthy, opposite sick. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and if you like, share with your friends. Thank you.